Wondering how to file nil returns with no taxable income? It's pretty simple. Go to the iTax portal on itax.kra.go.ke. Enter your PIN, click Continue, and enter your password. If you do not remember your password, click on Forgot Password /unlock account and the security stamp, which is the answer to the arithmetic. Click Submit and the password will be sent to your registered email address. Once you log in, update the professional details and go to the Returns menu. File Nil Return. Select the tax obligation and click Next. Enter the return period from and return period to will be populated. Click on the Submit button. Download the returns receipt. If you have ever filed an IT1 return in iTax before, then you can file a subsequent nil return through our iTax mobile app using an Android device, which can be downloaded on the Google Play Store. After the download, log in with your PIN and iTax password, which you must have logged in before through the iTax portal. Click on File Nil Return, select Resident or Non-Resident Individual where applicable, and submit. For further inquiries, contact us on 020-499-9999 or cell 0711 099 999 or email us through callcenter@kra.go.ke. You can also access our self-service menu by calling us and pressing 1 for password reset, 2 for PIN retrieval, or 3 to unlock your account. Remember to file your returns before 30th June deadline. Submit them now to avoid the last-minute rush. KRA, tulipe ushuru tujitegemee. Are you an employee and looking to file your income tax return for employment income only using the Excel return? First step. Get your P9 form from your employer. Go to the iTax portal on itax.kra.go.ke. Enter your PIN. Click Continue. Enter your password and the security stamp, which is the answer to the arithmetic, and log in. Once logged in, update the professional details and go to the Returns menu and select File Return. Select the tax obligation and click Next. Click to download the income tax return form in Excel using the provided link. Enter the PIN, type of return, return period from, and return period to. Go to Sheet F, Employment Income, and enter PIN of employer and name of employer and the gross pay, allowances, and benefits from employment other than car and housing, net value of housing as per the P9 form. Go to Sheet M and select the PIN of the employer from the drop-down. Enter name of employer, taxable salary, tax payable on taxable salary, amount of tax deducted as per the P9 form. Some P9 forms refer to taxable salary as chargeable pay. Go to Sheet T, Tax Computation, and enter the defined or pension contribution figure from your P9 form. Actual amount contributed by the employee up to a maximum prescribed limit of 240,000 shillings in case your actual contribution is higher. Enter the personal relief as per your P9 form. In case of a tax refund, you will be required to fill the bank details on the Basic Information Sheet A before you validate the file. Once you have confirmed that the tax computation details are matching with your P9 form and correct tax due or refund calculated, then validate and generate the upload file. Zip or upload file is saved automatically under Your Documents. Enter the return period if filing for the first time, otherwise the return period will pre-populate. Upload form by choosing the zip or upload file which was generated and saved under Your Documents, agree to the terms and conditions and submit. Download the returns receipt. If you have other benefits or reliefs relating to employment income like a car provided by your employer, mortgage for owner-occupied house, not a rental house, home ownership savings plan, insurance relief or exemption certificate for disability, you will select Yes against what is applicable under the Basic Information Sheet A, and then the appropriate sheet will be opened which requires you fill the relevant details which relate to that benefit or relief or exemption as per the supporting evidence you have on the same. For car benefit Sheet I, you need to have the car registration details and the original cost if owned by your employer or the cost of hiring. For mortgage Sheet J, you need a certificate from the lender which shows your mortgage account number, PIN and name of the lender, amount borrowed and outstanding at year end, amount of interest paid. For HOSP Sheet K, you need a certificate from the financial institution which shows your account number, PIN and name of the financial institution, total deposit for the year. For insurance relief, you need the certificate from your insurance company which shows the PIN and name of insurance company, type of policy, insurance policy number, policy holder, commencement date, maturity date, sum assured and annual premium paid. For persons living with disability, you need a valid exemption certificate issued by Kenya Revenue Authority. To capture the exemption certificate, go to the lower section of the Basic Information Sheet. For the exemption certificate date from and to, if the exemption certificate is valid from the beginning of the return period, then exemption dates should be the same as the return period dates. If the exemption certificate expired within the return period and it was renewed, you will capture both expired and renewed exemption certificates. The date from for expired certificate will be the return period start date and date to as the actual expiry date as per the certificate. The renewed certificate date from will be the actual commencement date and date to will be the return period end date. Then go back to the tax computation sheet and validate the return. The zip or upload file is saved automatically under Your Documents. Enter the return period from if filing for the first time, otherwise the return period will pre-populate. Upload form by choosing the zip or upload file which was generated and saved under Your Documents, agree to the terms and conditions and submit. Download the returns receipt. If there is any tax due to pay, go to the Payments menu and select Payment Registration. Select Tax Head as Income Tax and Tax Subhead as Income Tax Resident. Select Payment Type as Self-Assessment and the tax period and click Add. Download the payment slip and go make the payment at a partner bank of your choice amongst the ones listed on the payment slip. You may also pay through mobile money as per the instructions on the payment slip on M-Payment. For further enquiries, contact us on 020-499-9999 or cell 0711-099-999 or email us through callcenter@kra.go.ke. You can also access our self-service menu by calling us and pressing 1 for password reset, 2 for PIN retrieval, or 3 to unlock your account. Remember to file your returns before 30th June deadline. Submit them now to avoid the last-minute rush. KRA, tulipe ushuru tujitegemee.